Exercise 48. The scatter plot above shows the initial height and the height after 6 months for 12 bamboo plants along with the line of best fit. How many of the plants had a height after 6 months that was greater than predicted by the line of best fit? So let's see. We have on the horizontal axis the initial height of the bamboo plant, and then the y-axis, the y values, show the height after 6 months. But remember that the dots stand for the actual values of heights. However, here we have a line of best fit as well. And on the line of best fit, we can see the predicted values of heights. Now, I'm asked to check in how many cases the plants had an actual height that was greater than the predicted. So the actual is greater than the predicted means that the dots should be above the line. So in how many cases are the dots above the line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this one, an 8th. So it's on 8 cases, which makes C the proper answer for this question.